Q switch and ND YAG laser, the main spare parts. Actually, machines are more or less the same. It's like the IPL machine. It also has the laser and laser power supply. It has laser guide arm from the handle part. Also water cooling system, control panel system. All machines are like that. Electronic system and water cooling system. Those two systems are inside. Needs to have a good panel, good software controlling system, and to control all of this, and to have a good energy coming out. So all machines are like that theory. And the laser right now in the market, the main one is a single lamp and the single rod, double lamp, single rod, double lamp, double rod. And these are mainly talking about the handpiece part. So different ones, the energy will be different. Double lamp, the energy will be higher than the single lamp, the single rod. And the double lamp, double rod, and the energy is the highest. So different machines will be also different. It will also affect the frequency. And when you are having enough energy come out, and you also can use a very high frequency. Normally the frequency is from 1 until 6. But some of the good ones, they can be from 1 to 10. So very fast. When you are doing the treatment, like you press 1 time, it goes, can be 6 times per second or 10 times per second. So very fast. For some really professional doctors, and they are really professional with the treatment, so they do very fast to remove the tattoo, like painting, you know. So they need very high frequency. So it needs to have very high energy. So pay attention to this. Laser guide arm is like this. When the laser is going outside, when the inside part of the handle, if all the spare parts are very good and the design is very nice and the laser is going very good, and also energy is also very good. It's a water cooling system. It has water tank, water pump, filter, and radiator. And those are must be having all of them. If the water tank is big enough or not. If the water tank is bigger, so the machine can be used for longer time. Why? Because the cooling system is better. So the machine can stay treatment for a long time. But if the water tank is very small, it cannot support too high energy or too high frequency, because the temperature of the machine goes up very quickly. So maybe after 1 hour or 2 hours treatment, and the machine will be warning that you need to rest, like beep, 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 like that. Some machines have this type of alarm or reminding you the temperature is beyond 45. So you need to stop for a while and until the machine is cooling down. Or you need to change some water, cold water inside, and to keep working. But if the water tank is big enough and water pump is good and water cooling system is good, and the machine can be used for longer time. So that's also very important. Control panel system. The machines are not having too much differences, just some of them are having more functions like that. You also can see some of them are more beautiful, some of them not. Okay, laser power supply. To provide energy to the laser lamp, good power supply and also will affect the energy a lot. The power supply and the good ones can have higher energy, and also the life is longer. And if the power supply is not very good, it will affect the energy of the machine itself. So the power supply system is also very important. You also need to check that when you are purchasing one machine.